Hey everybody, Luke from The Breakdown. Today we're going to be looking at this little table meant to be used for laptops, tablets, phones, all kinds of stuff to use on couches, chairs, or even in bed. But honestly, this whole thing is really designed primarily for laptops. It does have a nice holder for tablets, a nice holder for phones, built-in mouse pad, a little lip here to hold your laptop in place, and this side of it is adjustable. You can lock it into different heights and angles for it too. We're going to look at the pros and cons of this and let you know what I think of it. First though, this was not a review unit. I bought this with my own money. I actually already own one, but I bought a new one because I like it so much. Second, pricing on this changes so rapidly. I hate to give you a price and have it be wrong. I'll put a link to it in the show notes and in the first pinned comment to it on Amazon down below. And lastly, if you like what we do, please consider hitting that subscribe button or hitting that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you can enjoy what we do here. Now with this real quick, I have tested this with a 15-inch laptop. It works just fine. I really do like the built-in mouse pad for doing work. It even has a little drawer here on the side. You can put pens, pencils, whatever you want over here on the side. I love the cell phone holders, the tablet holders. It props up your tablet, pops up your cell phone right here, making it easy to use and view. Overall, I'm very happy with the quality of this. One thing I really did like about it is it comes 100% assembled. You don't have to put anything together. You just take it out of the package and it comes out just like this, ready to roll. I am a busy person. I've had a couple hip surgeries over time, and I bought this initially for that purpose. So while I was recovering, I could continue to work and get things done. Also makes a nice little place to eat when you're in the recliner recovering from surgery. Overall, I was very happy with the quality. I feel like it does solid wood all the way through. Nice metal brackets that hold the legs and everything in place. It worked great in bed. It works great in the chair or on the couch or on the floor. I had no problem with it. My biggest problem was keeping my daughter from trying to steal it from me when I needed it. I overall am very pleased with the quality of it. And if you're looking for a well-made, affordable laptop mount here, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. Let me go grab a laptop and show you it all set up there. All right, now that I got it all set up, this is a 15 and some change inch Lenovo gaming laptop. I have an iPad here in the one. I have an extra large Pixel XL phone in there and a Logitech standard size mouse. You can see it all comfortably fits on this. Works really well. Of course, I can take the laptop off and just use different parts of it. I love this little feature here. So I can set my phone up here, and as I get alerts and messages, I can just glance at the notification without actually needing to look at it. Overall, I'm very, very happy with this. And I think it's well made. Of all the trays like this I've ever used, this has become my favorite. So 2 thumbs up. I'm going to put a link to this in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. If you have a question you want me to answer, leave me a comment, let me know. These legs are foldable for storage. You can flip them down, or maybe you just want it's sitting in your lap without the legs out. They do also adjust, and so in my recliner they kind of sit a little bit more straight up, leaning against the armrests a little bit. But overall, I'm very, very happy with it. If you have a question, leave me a comment, let me know. I will put a link to this in the show notes and in the first pinned comment on Amazon, so you can find a link there so you can check it out for yourself and see what's good for you or not. If this is right. If you like what we do here, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. Until next time, take care, be safe. I'll talk to you all again real soon.